I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get into it. Today we're going to review the Intense Collection. The Intense Collection was inspired by Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren has a line of perfumes and products called Polo. This was inspired by that. This is not made by him, but was inspired by him. So we're going to take a look at this Intense collection and see, does it measure up? It says 2 shower gels, 2 Eau de Toilette perfumes, 2 deodorant, and 2 Vital aftershaves. So let's look into it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products here. Intense Collection. Let's see. Let's do the unboxing. Oh, first right here, like I said, it's Intense Collection by men. This is inspired but not associated with the makers of Polo by Ralph Lauren. You guys, I got this as a Christmas present this year, so I'm very interested to see what we got here. Let's go. Let's open this baby up. Come on, Ted. Ooh! Oh, look at this. Look, it's got some nice little paper here. That was on the back. That makes it look good. Put that back in there. Nice, nice. I'm gonna sit that right there in the background. Okay, here's what it looks like with the box off. So let's go through it a little bit. Right here, we have the Black Intense for Men, inspired by Polo Ralph Lauren shower gel. This shower gel, water, sodium, just the normal things that are in it, recyclable, and this is a 4 fluid ounce. So this is a shower gel. Let's open this up. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. Okay, yeah, I can smell it. Yep, it smells nice. That's the shower gel. It's not real strong. It's not overwhelming. There's the shower gel right there. That's nice. Next thing, and we also have another shower gel right here. This is red. You got black and then you got red. Let me see what's the difference. I know one's black and one's red, but is there a difference? Let me see. Ooh, that's about the same. I think it's the same thing. I don't know why they say black and red. I think it's the same thing. Let me look at the back of it and see. Yeah, I think it's the same thing. It's the exact same thing they just made. They just said one black and one red, like so. But I think it's the same thing. Next thing we have up is, get out of there. Get out of there. Next up we have the Black Intense for Men deodorant. So there's the deodorant right there. It's a little small 1 fluid ounce deodorant. Just looking at the ingredients right here. All right. Okay. That's nice. Not overwhelming. Dude, that smells good. That smells good. So we'll see. You know how some deodorants, they smell good, but they don't hold your perspiration. So we're going to see how this runs. But this smells good. I like that. Next up, oh, I see what they did. It's a black and a red of everything. So I guess it's the same thing. This is the same thing. This is the red version. So it's a black and a red of everything. So I guess that's how the thing goes. Yeah, this is the same one as the black too, but it's just the red. But these are the same thing. So you got black and you got black on one side and red on the other side, everything. So you got basically 2 of each. Now right here, let's get the big boy out of here. Let's get the big boy. They got it pretty tight in there. Now next up, we have the Black Intense. This is the perfume right here. I don't know what the intense, yeah. So there you go, the Black Intense perfume right there. This is a nice little bottle. Let's open it. Oh, spray. Ooh, that's strong. Ooh. Woo, yeah, that's strong. Woo, yeah, that's strong. All you need is a little bit of this. And as you see, no need for me to open that, but if you like the black bottle or the red bottle, they have it in both. So it's the same thing, but either one you want.
right there. So I like to spread these things out a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. So yeah, you got the black and then you got the red. Last but not least, the last two items that we have. And these are the Air Toilette Red Intense. It's got a little thing. What's it? Oh, it's got a little tag on it. Oh, the tag is glued to it right there. It's actually glued to it. So I'm gonna open the red on this one. Oh, these are roll-on. I can smell it too. It's like a roll-on. Oh, okay, so these, okay, I got you. These are the same as the perfume, but these are like, you keep the big ones at the house, but you can put this like in your bag. And these are like the roll-on. So if you need just like a little roll-on, like wop, yeah, you roll these on. These are a little small, basically. Ooh, dang, that's strong too. Yeah, ooh, dang, I done lit this joint up. That's strong too. Oh, and then it turns on right there. So these are the small El Toilettes right there. So that's the whole collection right here. The Intense collection. You can pick this up at any store there. So if you definitely want to get the smell and the whole collection that's similar to like your Ralph Lauren, you definitely want to get this without spending all the money. So this is another affordable way to get some nice smelling products. Put this on for the men. The ladies will be coming after you. So make sure you definitely squab this up. You got everything you need from the shower gel, the perfume right here. And like I say, they both are the same. So either way you want to decorate, you can set that up. The Intense Collection by Ralph Lauren. I suggest definitely pick that up. This is the Guru on another review. Get this. Save yourself some money and you in there. I'm out here. See you guys on the next one.